In this Canva tutorial, let's take a quick look at how to view all of your pages at once in a grid view. So there is a grid view. When you have your pages out here, you can scroll down through them. That's one way to see them all. And then you can click on this little Show Pages button. You can click through your pages. But there is a grid view where you can see all your pages at once, which is nice to make sure you have a lot of cohesion in your design. So in the lower right-hand corner, we see this little grid view right here, and we can click on it. It's going to show us all of our pages in a grid view. We can actually add pages here. We have some other options like deselecting a page to not have anything selected. And then you can move pages around. So if there's an order that you want things to be in, you can click and drag them around. You can duplicate pages. You can hide pages. You can add new pages, and you can delete pages. You can also do a lot of these same things when you have a page selected. You can come up here. There's 3 dots. And we can click on those 3 dots and see all of our options here, like copy, paste, add page, duplicate, delete. You can even lock a page or lock the position only of the page. So make sure that it, doesn't move around. And you can also view the notes on that page. So you have a lot of different options here, including adding a title to the page. So if we wanted this to be Halloween, we could title it as such just by clicking on the page number down there. And so this is a really quick tutorial on how to view all of your pages as a grid in Canva.